Today we will review about BLACK+DECKER BPWH84W Washer Portable Laundry. Multi-setting operation. Our small washing machine has an 8-cycle selection for your specific laundry wash load needs: normal, cotton, gentle, speed wash, spin, whites, heavy soil, and tub clean. Compact and space-saving. Because of its size, our automatic washer is popular among city dwellers who are short on space. You can also take it with you to your camping trips and RV getaways. Convenient design and controls. Our machine features an easy-to-use LED digital display panel with cycle status lights, a transparent top lid, an easy viewing window and 3 water level options. Child safe. This washer unit comes equipped with an automated shut-off feature. If the lid is open, the washer will automatically shut off. Once it is closed, the wash cycle will resume.